Hello friends, welcome to my channel Green Bengal. I am Abhishek. Today I am going to show how to make organic liquid fertilizer for season flower. If you are interested in gardening, please subscribe to my channel and click bell icon for latest update. Today we will make a magical solution with some mustard cake for instantly energizing our growing plant. It helps produce more flower and fruits. These are mustard cake. After extracting oil from mustard seed, these cakes are produced. This is the one of the best fertilizer for season flower. You will get mustard cake from oil mill or grocery shop and also available in online e-commerce site. Now I am making a liquid fertilizer with some mustard cake. First of all, take any container with some mustard cake and add some water for soaking them. 100 gram mustard cake, add 1 liter water. This can be kept in water for 1 to 5 days. It can be used after 1 day or 3 to 4 days of soaking. After 2 days, liquid solution look like this. The mustard cake fully dissolving into the water. Now it is ready for use. It is one of the best liquid fertilizer for season flower like a Dahlia, chrysanthemum, Pansy, Dahlias and calendula plant. Also you can use for rose plant. Now I am use it my season flower. Use it fertilizer depends on your plant size. Use it 50 to 100 ml each plant. Also you can use it your fruiting plant. Thank you for watching my video. Please like my video and share my video. Have you any query? Please comment me and subscribe my channel and click bell icon for latest update. Thank you.